Hey y'all, welcome back. So this is part one of what I am packing for my cruise. We're going on a 7-day cruise. We're going to Jamaica, Grand Cayman, and Cozumel. So this is a big family cruise. We also are driving to the port, so luggage restrictions are not really anything for us. So that's just, I'm overpacking, and I know that. I normally bring stuff to wash, and when I pack for Hawaii, early next year, I will show you how I do that a little bit. We are platinum on Carnival, so we do get a little bit of laundry. I say all that to say, I know I'm overpacking. You don't need to take this much stuff. I just am. So I don't have my pajamas packed yet, and I got these new nifty compression packing cubes. I wanted to do like a little test run. So my only issue is I tend to overstuff packing cubes as a rule. So like this one all the way around, I got it to like here. So I think I have extra ones if I don't pack my pajamas in them. So I might try to pack a little less per thing, or pack my pajamas in a different kind of packing cube. But anyway, here we go. Here is what I am packing. So, I normally pack something, sorry y'all for not being over there. I normally pack something to wear during the day and for dinner. Most sea days, I change for dinner because it is like the dress your best, elegant night. So that's not what I'm holding right now. And I do roll things. To me, it seems better, and it keeps it to where I can see more of the item and I can tell if I want to wear it that day or not. So this is one of my dresses that I got. Most of this stuff that I got for Shein, from Shein. A little cute dress. It's thin, so that means it doesn't take up much space in my luggage. That is something that I recently found out. I know it's common sense, but something like this is a cute dress. It is tiny when it's all rolled up. I can even compress it more. But if I had a dress made out of a different material, not like denim is more, it takes up more space normally. So this is a cute one with an arm strap, and this flips to the side. So we're up to 2 dresses. But the reason I got so much new stuff is because this is the first time we're having significant others go on a family cruise with us, which is a big deal. And this is a romper. I got this one not at Shein or Temu. I got this from Cato's Fashion, if y'all have one, on clearance, and it's got pockets, and I got a cute little belt to wear with it that so it's not as plain, and I can wear this on with any other thing because it's very even though gold's not my favorite, it was cute with the outfit. So again, probably for formal night, or not formal night, but a night on the ship like that. Then I've got cute little rompers. This one, buttons in the back. If I could get the arm to work right. But I bought a bunch of stuff on Shein because we were going in October. There was a lot, or September 30th. There was a lot of clearance and sale stuff. I think I got 8 dresses, a romper, and 2 shirts, and some shapewear for less than $90. And then I'm going again in February to Hawaii, so who knows what is going to be available. I know there's probably stuff online, but there was a lot of stuff on sale this time. And then this is a pretty, what I would consider a semi-formal dress. And again, it's very soft. It's kind of plain, but it's got a little ruching right here, and I might wear the belt with it too. But normally I would say pack something that can be multi-purpose. Like, I'm gonna switch gears. Like denim shorts, just little shorts. Not little, but denim shorts. They're good with everything. You can wear t-shirts. You can wear all kinds of stuff. So I'm also bringing like these like biker shorts kind of thing. So just in case there's walking to or from an excursion, I can throw these on and my legs won't rub together, because once I'm wet, I don't want my thighs to rub together. Yeah, I'm just being real here. And then I got this cute top on Shein, and it's like spaghetti strap, but it's got a little piece on the arm, and I thought that was cute. So this is just the first video. I'm gonna do a couple different videos on what I'm packing. And then I got a Hawaiian shirt, because everyone in my group has Hawaiian. Well, not everyone. A lot of the guys have Hawaiian shirts, and I just happen to have one. So, Hawaiian shirt. And then things that are just easy to put on. Like, I have a lot of cruise stuff in my closet. But there's this just like t-shirt maxi dress. It is way too long for me. I normally get a ponytail or tie a knot in it so that it's not as long. And then, you know, these are more biker shorts. I don't know if I'm gonna pack both pair. Those don't have pockets. That's the only reason I'm doubting those. And then, you know, some random black tank tops. I need to pick one. I don't need all of these. I don't know which one I'm going to bring. And then leggings. One pair of leggings. You know, just something if you want leggings, cover your legs. I've gotten sunburnt on my shins before, so that was an issue. And then I also brought a longer pair of denim shorts. I don't know if I'm gonna pack them both. I don't know what I'm gonna wear on yet to get on the ship. I know we're making shirts, because my mom does shirts. This is her Hocus Pocus shirt that she made. You can see that. So my mom makes shirts, so we'll probably do matching shirts, at least with the girls, so which is like 5 of us. And then like this dress, this is cute. It's got like little sparkly sleeves and a sparkly neckline. This is what I'll probably end up wearing on formal night. I don't know about a belt. I haven't packed shoes yet either. And then I've got this cute, again, Shein top. It looks plain from the front, just like a tank top. But the back, y'all, that's so cute. And then I've got another dress. This is the top. Another dress. Then another romper. And then another shirt to wear. It's like very swingy and flowy. I have a lot of stuff packed. I don't know if I'm gonna bring all of that. That is just my preliminary packing. Now obviously that doesn't include undergarments, that doesn't include my swimsuits. I do have a bunch of swimsuits. This is a wet dry bag that came with my compression cubes. I have a lot of swimsuits. I packed like one for every day. Not that I need to. You don't need to do this. I am overpacking, I know. But it's just, I'm excited. And like I said, we are going to Hawaii in February of next year. So I wanted to try everything on, wear it a little bit, see how I feel. Because while this time I can pack whatever and take whatever and pack however many suitcases that will fit in the vehicles we're taking, that's not the case for February going to Hawaii. We are flying. We are having to check bags. It is a little bit more of a big deal. So this is just my preliminary packing. I will do another video on every little thing. But for now, this is what I've got packed. And I guess we'll see with videos or pictures from the ship if it changes. So we'll see. See you later. Let me know if you have any questions. I know I overpacked, but what do y'all pack? Do y'all pack light? Can y'all pack in just a carry-on? I haven't even tried that yet.